Hi Eric. So this issue is still reproducible. So I have added this holiday on 15th of November 2023, and then I'm going to share this calendar. So calendar, I only set one attendees and also selected this option, allow meeting with any one of the attendees. Okay, so now I'm going to share this. So I'll go to the November 13 and perform search. Alright, so here I'm getting availability till November 13th and then directly on 16th November, and we have this holiday on 15th, so I'm expecting available slots on 14th November also, and but it is directly after 13, it is directly showing 16 November as available slots. I'll quickly check the shifts also for this employee. Let me see. Yeah, so shifts are there for all the days. Calendar, if I go to the calendar, so this is holiday on Wednesday and Tuesday is 14, and shift on Tuesday is 10:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. So ideally it should show this available slot, but it's not showing. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.